just went to take my car out. Got a new set of tires. And I heard a noise. And it sounded like it comes from my bearings or something. But my bearings actually exploded. There's little pieces poking everywhere. I don't know what happened. I'll take them back. Got a few pieces missing. Bumper. A few body panels. This one, however, is in good shape. The door, I've got it in the shop, sanding it. Got a little bit of wheel tuck going on. Notice the exhaust isn't there no more. It's back here. Took a rice can eBay special and cut off the big tip. Put a truck exhaust on it. Looks pretty good with the bumper, but bumper's in the back. I'm about to paint it. I'm gonna make a dash later on.